Hi, my name is Sheila Satin, and here at Satin Crystals, we just love to celebrate the holidays. We were already thinking about what to gift you, our VIP members, for the holidays. Did you know that today is the very first day of the holiday pre-sale? If you're already part of the club, check your email. You will get a secret code to use for this week. If you're not part of the club yet, make sure to join because this is only a sale for VIP members. It's also free to join, so you have nothing to lose. You'll get both the secret code and we are giving away a free crystal healing gift with every $100 purchase. Let me show you how easy it is to join both on your phone and your computer. To join the Satin Crystals VIP club on your phone, all you need to do is visit satincrystals.com. If you've never been here before, a pop-up will come up from the bottom and ask, "Are you in?" You'll click on there and you'll be taken to the VIP page. If the pop-up does not show up like now, you can go to Free USA Shipping and VIP Club, click right there and you'll be taken to the VIP page. Here you can input your name, email, and hit subscribe and you will be in. It's free to join with fantastic benefits. You can click on more and read about all of that. So come join us. To join the VIP club on your computer, it's a very similar process. You just go to satincrystals.com. A pop-up may come up if you haven't been before. You can input your information that way or click on Free USA Shipping and VIP Club up here. It'll take you the VIP link, add your name, email, hit subscribe, and that's it. You're in. And you will be getting our holiday pre-sale information, so come join us.